Captain versus Sidhu war reloaded. Sidhu camp plots coup against Chief Minister. Gandhis failed to leash Navjot Sidhu. Earlier crossfire, just an appetizer. 100% ugly jibes and furious tamasha.
Sidhu's camp, their attempt to oust Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh has now backfired after a spate of vitriolic attacks on the Chief Minister Amrinder Singh by Sidhu's loyalists. Congress High Command has now cracked a whip. Sidhu has now been categorically told that Chief Minister Amrinder Singh remains the tallest face and enjoys backing of the party in Punjab. Congress also conveyed to Sidhu that the 2022 Punjab elections will be fought under Captain Amrinder Singh's leadership. In fact, Priyanka also praised showers on Amrinder government and the government's sugarcane pricing policy as well. The angry top brass told Sidhu that the party has not been handed over to him. He was also warned to control his advisors who have been targeting Captain Amrinder Singh. Congress General Secretary, meanwhile, the in-charge Punjab Affairs, Harish Rawat, has also snubbed the 4 disgruntled senior Punjab ministers who wanted Amrinder's removal. Manjeet Sehgal for more on that. Manjeet, finally, it appears that the Congress has taken a tough stand here. They've warned Sidhu and his camp that Amrinder Singh will be the one leading the party to the 2022 polls. Any word of reaction from the Sidhu camp?
Well, Navila, development comes after 4 disgruntled cabinet ministers met the party affairs in charge Harish Rawat in Dehradun yesterday. Harish Rawat patiently listened to their grievances but clearly told them that any demand to replace Captain Amrinder Singh will not be met. And he has also told them that Captain Amrinder Singh will continue to head the government, and the elections of 2022 will also be fought under his leadership. As far as the reaction from Navjot Sidhu's camp is concerned, none of the leaders have spoken so far, but one of the leaders, who is also believed to Captain Amrinder Singh and is also a working president, has said that both the leaders have their path, but they will be working in close coordination. In fact, Navjot Singh Sidhu's camp was managing this show behind the curtain, but now has been exposed after Captain Amrinder Singh's wife and former Union Minister Trinit Kaur had accused Navjot Singh Sidhu of masterminding the removal of Captain Amrinder Singh. On the other, the opposition parties and the leaders of Congress have also questioned why these leaders were raising these issues and why they were silent during the past 4.5 years. Even Akali Dal has also asked these leaders if they were really concerned about these issues, they should not contest the future election.
Right, Manjeet, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Of course, Sidhu now has been strictly warned, but there is no end to the war of Sardars in Punjab there. And it seems that the crisis has now gone beyond the Gandhis' control itself. MLAs from the Sidhu camp have been demanding the removal of Captain Amrinder Singh as the Chief Minister. For now, they have been told off that Amrinder Singh is the captain of Punjab. Now, the dissidents met with Punjab in charge Harish Rawat in Dehradun earlier today, and the message to them was quite clear. Amrinder Singh will be leading the Congress party in the 2022 elections. What will Sidhu's next reaction or next move be? Let's take a listen.
Round 2 of the Sidhu versus Amrinder power tussle has gone the captain's way. With just months left for the all-crucial assembly elections in Punjab, the warring Sardars are at it again. After the Congress High Command placated Sidhu the first time around, this time they've said enough is enough. At the centre of it was a meeting between Navjot Singh Sidhu and 31 MLAs, including 4 cabinet ministers.
बहुत सारे वादे कांग्रेस पार्टी ने पूरे ਕੀਤੇ ਹੈ ਲੇਕਿਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਾਅਦਿਆਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਿਰੋਧੀਆਂ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਟਕਰਾਅ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਸਾਡੇ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਖੜੇ ਹੈ ਅੱਜ ਹਾਲਾਤ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਸ ਮੁੱਖ ਮੰਤਰੀ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਸਲੇ ਹੱਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੋ ਰਹੇ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਕੇਂਦਰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਿਲਣ ਜਾ ਰਹੇ ਹਾਂ
These disgruntled Punjab legislators took the fight to the High Command, who've now set the record straight on who's the captain of the Punjab Congress.
Harish Rawat has not only snubbed the disgruntled ministers but have clearly told them that any demand to replace Captain Amrinder Singh will not be met. He has also told them that the 2022 assembly elections will also be fought under the leadership of Captain Amrinder Singh.
यदि किसी को किसी से कोई नाराजगी है तो नाराजगी कांग्रेस के रास्ते में नहीं आनी चाहिए, कांग्रेस के रास्ते में नहीं आनी चाहिए। कांग्रेस के लिए बहुत आवश्यक है कि वो मिल करके चुनाव लड़े पंजाब में।
The Amarinder camp, meanwhile, has also sent across a stern message to the rebels.
आज मंत्रियों को दिक्कत आ रही है 4.5 साल बाद, तो अपने पद से इस्तीफा देकर बाहर निकल जाना चाहिए खुद ही, क्योंकि जिसके ऊपर सवाल उठा रहे हो उसी ने 4.5 साल काम कर दिखाए हैं।
Amarinder Singh's wife Praneeth Kaur also hasn't minced words. Wading into the controversy, she's lashed out at Sidhu, squarely blaming him for the leadership crisis in Punjab.
He is the one who started, it's his advisors. Once the decision had been taken by the High Command, Sidhu was coming, CM said, yes, it's the Congress President's decision, I abide by it. So they should also fall into line. This is not a time to rake up all these things. You rake them up at the party platform and go ahead. We want a united Congress to fight the election.
For now, the Congress High Command has categorically stated that they will not tolerate any rebellion against Captain Amarinder Singh. But will the Sidhu camp agree to work under the Chief Minister's leadership in the run-up to this election? With Manjeet Sehgal in Chandigarh, Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, in round 2 of the Captain versus Sidhu war, it's not Sidhu who is targeting the Punjab Chief Minister directly, but it is Sidhu's advisor, Malvinder Singh Mali, who has come out all guns blazing against Captain Amarinder Singh. Mali yesterday called the Punjab Chief Minister Ali Baba and his supporters as Charlie's Chor. Let's take a look.
Navjot Singh Sidhu's advisor, Malvinder Singh Mali, has been relentless in his attacks against the Punjab Chief Minister. A day after posting Captain Amarinder Singh's picture with a Pakistani journalist, Malvinder Singh Mali has now called Amarinder Ali Baba and his supporters as Charlie's Chor. Sidhu's advisor is continuing his personal attacks on the Chief Minister, this time choosing an Arabian Nights folklore to snipe at the Captain's army. Besides calling his supporters as Charlie's Chor or 40 thieves, Mali didn't spare senior Congress leader Manish Tiwari either, calling him Ludhiana's Baghoda or a proclaimed offender. And Mali didn't stop there. He even labelled Captain Loyalist and the Public Works Department Minister Vijay Inder Singla as one of the 40 thieves. Mali's remarks have not gone down well with the Captain camp.
हमने एक साफ कह दिया है कि वो सलाहकार एक हैं या कितने हैं उससे कांग्रेस का कुछ भी लेना देना नहीं है और श्री सिद्धू जी को भी ये बात कह दी गई है कि वो अपने सलाहकारों को नियंत्रण में रखें।
Mali, who once served as a political secretary to Amarinder Singh, is now an advisor to Sidhu. On Tuesday, he posted a picture of Captain with a Pakistani journalist to counter the Chief Minister's attack on him for calling Jammu and Kashmir a separate country. Captain Amarinder Singh and his aides warned Mali against issuing anti-India remarks, but he remains unapologetic.
If someone does not respect the unanimous position taken by the Indian Parliament on this issue, forget political parties, this is the unanimous national position on this issue, then a very, very serious question manifests itself that should such a person be really even a part of the country?
Mali even defended his post, showing Indira Gandhi holding a gun with a human skull hanging from the barrel.
ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਐਂਟੀ ਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਨਹੀਂ, ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਮੇਰੇ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਨੇ ਉਦੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਦੇ ਨੇ 89 ਦੇ ਨੇ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੇ ਨੌਕਰੀ 'ਚ ਲਿਆ, ਮੈਂ ਫੋਟੋ ਹਟਾ ਦੂੰ ਜੋ ਮੈਂ ਸੰਪਾਦਕ ਸੀ ਉਹਦਾ, ਉਹ ਤੇ ਲੇਖ ਛਪੇ ਹੋਏ ਨੇ, ਫਿਰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਉਹ ਕਹਿੰਦੋਗੇ ਆ ਲੇਖ ਨੇ। ਮੇਰਾ ਨਵਜੋਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਦੇ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਬਾਰੇ ਏਜੰਡੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਾਂਝ ਆ, ਇਹ ਸਾਂਝ ਖਾਤਰ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਤਿਆਰ ਆ।
The endless controversial remarks by his advisors have put Navjot Singh Sidhu in a tight spot. While he called an emergency meeting to tackle the crisis, he hasn't said anything to Malvinder Mali publicly. Bureau Report, India Today.
Now, it was just a month ago that Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu declared truce publicly. The occasion was Sidhu's elevation as Punjab Congress Committee chief. But even then, the writing was on the wall. Sidhu versus Captain war was far from over. Sidhu snubbed the Chief Minister of Punjab on stage, took a veiled jibe at him during his speech as well. This is what really happened.
The signs were there from the beginning. Exactly a month ago, as Navjot Singh Sidhu was appointed the chief of the Punjab Congress Committee. He touched everyone's feet on stage, but snubbed Captain Amrinder Singh, while the two Sardars publicly put on a united front.
नवजोत जी क्योंकि तुसी कारोबार सारे पंजाब दा तुसी अगले साडे पार्टी दा चलाउणा है जदों सोनिया जी ने मैनू दस्सिया कि असीं नवजोत सिद्धू ਨੂੰ ਬਣਾਉਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਬਾਹਰ ਆ ਕੇ ਪ੍ਰੈਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਿਹਾ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜੋ ਸਾਡੇ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਪ੍ਰੈਜ਼ੀਡੈਂਟ ਦਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਹਦੇ ਤੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਿਰ ਝੁਕਾਵਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੰਜਾਬ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਔਰ ਆਪਣੇ ਦੇਸ਼ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਅਸੀਂ ਇਹ ਲੜਾਈ ਲੜਾਂਗੇ ਔਰ ਕਾਂਗਰਸ ਪਾਰਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਅੱਗੇ ਰੱਖਾਂਗੇ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ
It was known that all was not well. In the days leading up to his elevation, Sidhu fired one salvo after another at Captain, taking him on issues ranging from the power crisis to corruption. As he took over as the Punjab Congress chief, he took another veiled dig at Amrinder Singh.
कि मेरी चमड़ी मोटी है मैनू कोई फर्क नहीं पैंदा मैनू एको चीज दा सिला कि पंजाब उत्ते किद्दां आउंदा पंजाब दे लोकां दे कल्याण च मैं अपना कल्याण निहित समझदा यही अरदास करदा
Sidhu's coronation was full of drama. While Sidhu attended Captain's tea party and greeted him with folded hands, he was out of there within 7 minutes, only to go back, allegedly after being cajoled by Harish Rawat. The friction has festered clearly. Sidhu continues to flex his muscle. The captain is digging in his heels. With months to go for the Punjab Assembly election, the implosion in the Punjab Congress could cost the party one of the few states it still holds. Bureau Report, India Today.
Captain Sidhu feud dates back to 2017 and since then it's only gotten more explosive. It all started when Sidhu went to Pakistan on the invitation of Imran Khan and hugged the Pak Army Chief General Bajwa. Sidhu's praise for Imran Khan and Bajwa had drawn quite some sharp response from Captain Amrinder Singh.
Captain Amrinder Singh and Navjot Singh Sidhu have been at daggers drawn since 2017. It is said that Captain Amrinder Singh was not happy with the way the BJP leader Navjot Singh Sidhu was inducted in the Congress party just before the assembly elections in 2017. Despite the opposition from senior Congress legislators, Captain Amrinder Singh, under pressure from the Congress High Command, gave a cabinet berth to Sidhu. But cracks emerged when Sidhu tried to bargain for Deputy Chief Minister's post along with home portfolio by using his closeness to the Gandhi siblings. Captain refused to budge. The rift became public after Sidhu went to Pakistan against the wishes of his captain in 2018. Sidhu's hug for then Pakistani Army Chief General Bajwa had Amrinder Singh fuming.
How can it be that every day somebody is being shot and whether the man who pulled the trigger is to blame or the man who gives the order, which is the chief. And the chief is Mr. General Bajwa. And to say that I don't know General Bajwa, but yahan likha hota hai, unke tunic ke upar, that's wrong. And I think that was wrong for him to have shown the affection he did for the Pakistani Army Chief.
3 months later, Captain Amrinder Singh opposed Sidhu's second visit to Pakistan.
I told him, I said, I have taken this stand. And this is what is in the larger interest of my state. And I think you should also reconsider your position. He said, I've already accepted the invitation. I said, well, then you can always tell them that now my Chief Minister has taken the stand, so I wish to, I will not be coming. But he has decided to go.
It was then that Sidhu declared that Amrinder Singh was not his captain.
अरे मेरे कैप्टन राहुल गांधी हैं उन्होंने तो भेजा है हर जगह क्या बात कर रहे हो यार कौन से कैप्टन की बात कर रहे हो यार है ओ कैप्टन अमरिंदर सिंह जी की वो तो आर्मी के कैप्टन है भाई मेरा कैप्टन राहुल गांधी साहब है.
At the backdrop of the sacrilege case, Sidhu opened a new front against the captain. It was the first time that the cricketer turned politician publicly accused the Punjab Chief Minister of being hand in glove with the Akalis. It is said that Sidhu was divested of his portfolio after he challenged captain's authority.
ਜਿੱਥੇ 25 ਪੈਸੇ ਪੈਣੇ ਸੀ ਸਿੱਧੂ ਨੇ 25 ਪੈਸੇ ਪਾਏ, ਜਿੱਥੇ 30 ਪੈਸੇ ਪਾਣੇ ਸੀ ਉੱਥੇ 30 ਪਾਏ, ਵਰਲਡ ਬੈਂਕ ਤੋਂ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਇੱਕ ਇੱਕ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਆ ਕੇ ਖੜੀ ਕੀਤੀ। ਲੇਕਿਨ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਕਦੇ ਕਿਸੇ ਤੇ ਉਂਗਲ ਚੁੱਕੀ ਨਹੀਂ, ਨਾ ਮੈਂ ਕਦੇ ਸ਼ਿਕਾਇਤ ਕੀਤੀ, ਨਾ ਹੀ ਮੇਰੀ ਫਿਤਰਤ ਹੈ। ਚਲੋ ਜੇ ਕੋਈ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਇਹੋ ਜਿਹੀ ਗੱਲ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਉਹ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਹੈ, ਮਹਾਬਦੌਲਤ।
There has to be some discipline in the organization, and in this discipline, I have decided after seeing the performance of our ministers, I've shifted them around. Where I thought somebody is good in a particular job, I've given him that job. And here I thought power is an important thing for Punjab, one of our most important things. And I gave it to Sidhu, but he didn't want it. So I said, no, once a decision has been taken, you can't say I will take this and I will not take that. I mean, it's like some general saying, I'm not going to get posted to Ladakh, send me to Manipur.
Captain Amrinder Singh has not said a word about Navjot Singh Sidhu's recent outbursts against him, but he is believed to have told the Congress High Command that Sidhu had crossed all limits this time. The face-off has now reached a point of no return. With Manjeet Sehgal and Kamaljeet Sandhu, Bureau Report, India Today.
It's not just Punjab. Congress is in fact firefighting crisis in two more states where it is in power, Rajasthan and Chhattisgarh. Sachin Pilot is at daggers drawn against Ashok Gehlot for nearly 2 years now. And in Chhattisgarh, Health Minister T.S. Deo has accused Chief Minister Baghel of ill treatment. Now, he also wants to be the Chief Minister himself. Adding to this, the defections of young Rahul Gandhi loyalists. And it seems that the Gandhis are just unable to get their hold in order, in fact, their house in order, before another big election season comes along.
The Congress High Command is struggling to keep its regional satraps in check. The Grand Old Party is firefighting dissidents in all the states that it is currently in power on its own. From Punjab to Chhattisgarh to Rajasthan, there is a piling stack of woes for the Gandhis everywhere. On Tuesday, Rahul Gandhi chaired a 3-hour-long meet with Chhattisgarh Chief Minister Bhupesh Baghel and his cabinet colleague T.S. Singhdeo at his residence. Baghel and Singhdeo had apparently agreed to rotate the Chief Minister's post amongst themselves in a deal struck in December 2018 when the Congress stormed to power. Baghel completed his 2.5 years in June this year. Singhdeo's supporters are now demanding their pound of flesh.
खराब की स्थिति किसी के बीच में है ये तो ऐसा नहीं है, बिल्कुल नहीं है। और बाकी जो आप मुख्यमंत्री बदलने की बात कर रहे हैं, ऐसी कोई चर्चा इस मीटिंग में तो नहीं हुई।
Even as the party downplays the feud, sources tell India Today that Singhdeo is miffed over the raw deal meted out to him by Baghel. Sources suggest that Rahul Gandhi is unhappy with Baghel and that the Chief Minister has been asked to work with his colleagues as a team. Rajasthan is a ticking time bomb for the Congress. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot has been stalling the High Command's attempts to accommodate Sachin Pilot's supporters in the government. Sources tell India Today that the delay in cabinet reshuffle is deliberate to drive Pilot to the point of yet another revolt. Amidst the growing feuds and infighting, a long list of people deserting the party since the 2019 Lok Sabha poll debacle has also added to Congress's woes. While the gradual exodus of those once close to the Gandhi scion has failed to stoke introspection, the ones who demand course correction are now growing restless.
There is little hope for Congress party to recover its lost ground. Assembly polls in Punjab, Uttarakhand and Goa hold the key, but factionalism-driven state units may play the spoil sport. With camera person Ashwini Helen, this is Anand Patel in New Delhi for India Today.
On that note, it's a wrap on this bulletin. For the news and updates, you could log on to indiatoday.in. You could also download our app. I'm going to come back with the top headlines on the other side.